Hello, everyone. This is Ms. Gutzel speaking for Ms. Gutzel's Guide to Growing in Technology. In this video today, I'm going to continue the exploration of the icon sets within Google Documents. In my sample document from the previous video, we discussed only icon set number 1. In this video, we're going to look at icon set number 2, which is just this icon right here at the top of the page labeled Zoom. When I left click on Zoom, I have a few different options for how I can zoom into my document. If I click on Fit, it will zoom in on the document so that it fits my entire screen. However, I can zoom in even closer by clicking on the percentages after 100%, such as 200%. If I need to revert it back to the original layout, all Google Docs open up in the 100% zoom option. As such, you can now use Google Docs in whichever way you wish for visual understanding. I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.